Like and subscribe to Desi Engine. Click the bell button to receive the latest video.
Let's do the next kind of verb, that is lexical verbs. Lexical means relating to words. Lexical verbs are the main verbs in a phrase or a sentence. Unlike auxiliary verbs, lexical verbs have their own independent meaning. For example, I was acting the jerk yesterday at the carnival. Here, was acting is a complete verb. Was is the auxiliary verb. And acting is our lexical verb. Acting can exist independently, it can have its own meaning, whereas was, which is an auxiliary or supporting verb, cannot act as an individual verb in any sentence.